This is not just any cake. This cake is soft, it's rich, it melts in your mouth, and today I'll be teaching you how to make it from scratch. First, we start by sifting our flour. I use 2 cups, but all the measurements will be on my description box. I'm writing with my baking soda. I used 1 tablespoon. Yes, I'm writing with my baking powder. Also 1 tablespoon. Why we are doing this is to sift it so that everything will be smooth. Yes, I'm writing with 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. I'm writing with 1 tablespoon of salt. Then proceed to sift everything. You just want this thing to come out very smooth. That's why we are doing it. After sifting it, you're going to be combining this together. After mixing it, set it aside. And let's make our buttermilk. This is 1 cup of milk. I'll be going in with 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. That's how to get your buttermilk. For those that will ask what is buttermilk, this is how to get your buttermilk. After adding your white vinegar, set it aside for 30 minutes. So because I'll be making use of the cup, I'll be turning it inside. I'll be turning the milk inside a plate. In another bowl, add 1.5 cup of sugar. Please, the exact measurement will be on my description box. Then 2 eggs. Next, I'll be going in with 1 cup of vegetable oil. Next, I'll be going in with 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract. You can use any other flavor you like. I'll also be going in with 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. I'll also be going in with 1 tablespoon of food coloring. Then mix everything properly. Mix it very, very well. After mixing it very well, we are going to go in with our buttermilk. Then mix properly again. Mix it very, very well. After mixing it properly, you are going to go in with your dry ingredients. I didn't add everything at once, but you can choose to add everything at once. So just keep mixing it, but don't mix it too much. Please, once you add your dry ingredients, don't over mix it. You see this part, you can choose to forget about it, but I added coffee with hot water. I will also tell you the exact measurements on my description box. Now we're done mixing it, set it aside. Now this is the pan we're going to be using. We're going to be using butter to spread it. You can also use parchment paper for this. I don't have it. So after using butter to spread around the pan, you use flour to just dust it off. Then transfer your butter into the pan. And I'll make sure you hit it like this. Hit it like 2 times or 3 times. As usual, we are using our sand. Now we are using this because of those that will say, I don't have oven, I don't have oven. That's why I'm using this thing. So before now, this thing has already been heating up. Like, I've on my gas since for over like 30 minutes ago. So I'm using this paper just to prevent sound entering my cake. I also like covering the top of my cake. Then cover and bake on a low medium heat here for 1 hour. For 1 hour, but you can check it maybe when it's 15 minutes. You can just open it and check how far. So after 1 hour, I checked with my knife. The trick is when you put your knife inside the cake, if it comes out clean, that means the cake has done. Yeah. Just look at that texture, soft, moist, and rich. Oh, if you love this recipe, please like, comment, and subscribe for more sweet moments from Mara's Kitchen. See you in the next video.